you had listened to me here, you have brought Pakistan and China together. You would not have lost those 5 planes. You have destroyed the single biggest, most important goal of Indian foreign policy. China and Pakistan are fused like this. The truth of what happened is that the government of India thought they were fighting Pakistan. And when they arrived, they suddenly realized that they were not fighting Pakistan, they were fighting China and Pakistan. Meaning that the Pakistani army was attached, Pakistani Air Force was attached to the Chinese Air Force. And not only that, the doctrine of the Pakistani Air Force was completely changed. The information available to the Pakistani Air Force was completely changed. And the Chinese were feeding information, critical battlefield information, satellite information, targeting information to the Pakistan. And if you don't believe me, General Rahul Singh, May 11th, when the DGMO level talks were going on,
Pakistan actually was mentioning, we know that your such and such important vector is primed and it is ready for action.
I would request you to perhaps pull it back. And he says, so it is very clear they were getting live battlefield inputs from China. How did this integration between Pakistan and China take place? I want to make it clear. There is a center called CENTIAC, Center for AI and Computing, that was built in Pakistan with Chinese help. And the aim of the center is to integrate the Pakistani Air Force with the Chinese Air Force and make and transform the Pakistani Air Force into a network-centric Air Force. As I speak, and since 2021, Pakistani officers, strategic officers have been embedded in the PLA's Western and Northern Theatre Commands. They are sitting there coordinating. So it is important to understand that you did not have political will, that you did not give freedom of maneuver, but there is another problem. And the problem is that we are now facing not just China, not just Pakistan, but China and Pakistan fused as one militarily.